Hi, I'm Mellie Beane, and in this video we are going to learn how to draw Mr. Incredible from The Incredibles. So if you want to learn how to draw him, hang in there.
So get yourself something to draw with, preferably something erasable. And we're going to start drawing kind of in the middle section of the paper, and you're going to draw kind of like you're drawing an upside down triangle, but then you're going to bring in little lines instead of just going to one point. It'll be two little angled lines at the bottom there. And then draw two little lines in the top of the middle. And then draw a curved line. And then a C shape. Now off of the left side, you're going to draw a triangle. And then another triangle going toward the body. And then a little circle on the end of that. And then do the same thing on the other side. I'm just kind of cleaning up lines that I don't really want there. Feel free to do that if you need to. Now off the bottom, we're going to draw a long rectangle. And then do it on the other side too. These are his legs. And then another little tiny rectangle on that. Now draw a triangle going down, coming off of the small rectangle. And then on the bottom of those two triangles, you're going to draw little triangles at the bottom of those going off to the sides, and those are Mr. Incredible's feet. Now going back up to the head, we're going to draw a line going across and down the middle. And then just above the line, you're going to draw two little C shapes for the eyes. And then draw a circle in the middle of each of those. Now we're going to draw his mask, and we're going to draw a little C shape on each side around each eye. And then draw little tiny lines going in, and then little tiny lines angling out, and then meet them together to make his nose. Then give him a little smile. Or you can make him frown if you want to, but I'm going to give him a smile. Now off the top, we're going to draw those little squiggles for some hair. And kind of like a little rectangle on each side of the head for his ears. There are a lot of steps to this drawing, so hang in there. You can do it. I believe in you. In the middle, draw a circle on his chest, and then draw the little Incredibles eye in the middle of that. And then a little swoop going around. on each side. And now we're going to draw the belt. For Mr. Incredible's stretchy pants. And now we're going to kind of round everything out, round out his shoulders, round out the elbow. Just like I'm doing here, making everything more curved, less triangular, more curvy. And do that on the right and the left side. So did you see this movie? I have not actually seen the movie. I saw the first one, and I actually have the first one. Okay, kind of make a flat spot on each of the hands on the top, and then the rest is a circle. So what did you think of the movie? Was it good? I still need to watch it. Now we're going to round out the legs, smooth that all out. Just kind of try to copy the general shape of what I'm doing, but of course yours does not have to be exactly the same because your drawing is unique, just like you. All the shapes that we draw are just there for guidelines, just to give you a better idea of where you're going with your drawing. I'm just fixing some lines there. Now draw a little curve for his armpit. Everybody has armpits, even superheroes. Then erase any unneeded lines. We don't need those ones anymore. Or those. He's looking pretty good and superhero-ish. Now draw a curved line here, and then another one below that. Okay, so I made a little mistake there, so don't do that yet. Everybody makes mistakes. So take a black and you're going to color the gloves first. I just want you to have a better idea of where his gloves are. I got too carried away on my red, and I started that before I did the gloves. So now do the color black. And the mask, make sure to go around the eyes. Color in the stretchy pants. And the boots. And then color in the area around the eye, the Incredibles symbol. I'm just using a brown colored pencil to kind of touch up his face and then round out his jawline. And then now take a red marker and start filling in the body. His red superhero suit. Who's your favorite superhero? I don't know. I think I like Iron Man. I like those movies. Or Ant-Man. Stretchy pants, color in the stretchy pants, color. Boop bop. There we go. Now the belt is going to be orange. And then that little area around the outside of the circle is orange also. And then yellow. You're doing awesome. Keep going. You can do it. Then curve the top of the head. And then now I'm going to color in his face with kind of a flesh color, peachy color. You can use whatever you have. Now blonde hair, right? He's got blonde hair. And then a little bit of little brown streaks in there just to make it look like he's got some shadows in his hair. Fixing the elbow. Sometimes you gotta go back and fix things. Now I'm filling in those circles for his eyes. I'm making them blue and little black dots in the middle of those for the pupil. Just using that pencil again, just to kind of clean up the ears. You don't have to do this. This is just something that I wanted to do, and I just show you how I do things. But you do things the way you do them. Now I'm taking like a dark gray, and I'm just making shadows so it looks like he has muscles. You can just kind of put that wherever I'm putting it. Abs. Every superhero needs some abs. Now I'm taking a white gel pen and going along the sides of the shadows that I drew with that dark gray, just to make a highlight. Once again, this isn't a necessary step. It's just something that I think makes the drawing look more snazzy. And snazzy is good. Drawing some highlights. And I gave him some little kneecaps. He also needs kneecaps. We all need some kneecaps. Squiggling down the boot with white. And up the gloves. A little bit on the hands. A little on the collar. Stretchy pants. A little on the mask. You're getting so close, we're almost done. And you are a superhero if you complete this entire drawing tutorial. And now I'm using a peach colored gel pen, just going over the face again, and the mouth, and all those things. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for coming by.